Subukan natin ang makeup line ni Riza May Dizon. Charming. Riza Contawi kasi. So, ang pangalan nga ng kanyang brand ay Enigma with a line of foundation. Okay? And by the way, napakatapang nito kasi mahirap mag-formulate ng foundation. Like, you have a lot to consider. And number 2, for a local brand, hindi na masama that they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 12 shades una pa lang. So, tara na't hanapin natin ng atin. Let's try beige. This one naman is natural. Okay, masyado nang maputi si natural. I will go for beige. I will first apply it on the left side of my face. Konting mga dot lang para ma-assess natin yung kanyang coverage. There you go. Then I'm going to use a damp sponge to blend it. Now, according sa kanyang pamphlet, isa sa kanyang mga claims ay meron siyang full coverage. At kung totoo yung claim na yan, isa to sa mga tipo ng foundation na very controllable yung kanyang coverage. Kasi kita nyo nga kanina, konti lang yung nilagay natin at hindi siya full coverage agad-agad. It started off as light. Kita ko pa, most of my imperfections, I'm talking about my dark under eyes, yung ugat ko dyan. Now let's see if we can build it up. Tadamihan ko lang. Meron siyang kapansin-pansin na amoy. Hindi naman sobrang tapang, pero if you're sensitive, maaamoy mo talaga siya. Amoy rosas. If you want coverage, I give you coverage. Meron siyang luminous finish, as you can see. Yan o, may konting shine, pero hindi nakakapangit yung shine niya. Meaning, hindi na-emphasize yung texture ko sa face or yung aking enlarged pores. Aside from that, it's super lightweight pa rin. I mean, magkaiba sila. Naging flawless ako on this side. Pero sa feeling ko, parang walang pagkakaiba. Parang wala din akong suot sa side na to. I'm just applying the same amount of foundation on the other side. Girl, hindi siya nagsasettle sa under eyes at even sa lids. Wow! Meron din akong nakitang kakaibang claim sa kanyang pamphlet. It is long wear and transfer resistant. So, I wanna test that. Gusto ko munang patagalin siya sa aking face so it could fully set. Alright? I could say mga around 3 minutes. Napansin ko na nawala na talaga yung kanyang lagkit. Meron akong tissue dito. I'm just gonna pat it. What? Baby, hindi siya nag-transfer at all. This is such an innovation for me. Dahil dyan, na-inspire din ako mag-innovate. One side, isaset natin with powder, which is this side. Yung kabila naman, hindi natin pupulbusan. Okay, you guys, so I just finished my makeup look. And to be honest, feeling-wise, sobrang pareho sila ng pakiramdam. As in, super lightweight. At saka, walang lagkit at all. However, pagdating sa itsura, malalaman natin na ito yung hindi natin sinet with powder because as you can see, meron siyang shine as compared to this side na matte na matte. By the way, hindi ako gumamit ng any highlighter. So, lahat ng shine na nakikita natin dito is definitely coming from the foundation. So, the time right now is 11:20 in the morning. Marami akong gagawin actually today. Lalabas ako. At alam nyo kung gaano kainit ngayon. So, matetest talaga natin itong si Enigma Foundation on 2 ways kapag sinet with powder at kapag hindi. Okay guys, so ako ay nagbabalik. Ang ating oras ay 5:20. So, more or less 6 hours ko na pong suot itong mga makeup products. Kailangan ko nang alisin tong falsies ko. At least ito lang kasi ang bigat na nung mata ko. Now, going back to the foundation. Oh my gosh, halos wala silang bangas. So, look at that. Andito pa rin yung blush ko, yung contour ko on both sides. Gusto kong i-test ulit yung pagka-transfer proof niya. Dito muna tayo sa side na hindi natin sinet with powder. Very consistent. Try naman natin dito sa sinet natin. Girl, wala talagang transfer at all. So yeah, ang final verdict ko para sa Enigma Skin Introduction Longwear Liquid Foundation is definitely a yes. In short, lahat ng tao, beginner ka man or advanced sa makeup artist ka man, for sure, you're gonna love this foundation. Wala akong masabi.